Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add payment method to EA account. So whether you're gearing up to purchase the latest EA titles, subscribe to EA Play or manage in-game purchases, adding the payment method to your EA account is a straightforward process, and I'm going to walk you through a detailed guide. So first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your EA account settings. So, or just open your EA app on your PC, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select settings. From settings, it's going to take you to this window. From this window, select manage, and once you select manage, it's going to take you to this window where you can now manage your account. Okay, so from here, head over to the left navigation panel and select payment and wallet. Now, in the payment section, method section here, just go ahead and click on that arrow that is facing towards the right and select add payments method. A form will appear prompting you to enter your payment details. All you need to do is to select your preferred payment type from the available options. It's still loading up. Example, Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal, anyone you choose. So input the required details, your card number, enter the 16-digit number without spaces or dashes, then enter expiration date, select the month and year your card expires, the security code, which is the CVV, enter the 3-digit code found on the back of your card, and you also have your billing address, that's country or region. Actually, just ensure that you select the country or the region that is associated with your account and select save. Now, after entering all necessary information, it's important to click save to add the payment method to your account. Your new payment method will now appear in the payment methods list. So if you wish to make this your default payment method for future purchases, locate the newly added payments method in the list and click on set as primary. EA accepts various payment methods, including major credit or debit cards and PayPal. Now, the availability of specific payment options may vary based on your region. And you can also add funds to your EA wallet using EA gift cards. This balance can be used for purchases within the EA ecosystem. EA employs security protocols to protect your payment information, so ensure that your account has a strong, unique password and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously